Good news today from one of our green card cases. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration attorney here in St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm talking to you today about a recent success we had at the immigration office here in St. Louis, Missouri. So we have a client who came to see us about 6 months ago. She had recently gotten married. Her husband had come here from overseas and they had just gotten married. It's a very typical case of ours. We handle these green card cases based on marriage all the time. It was a very straightforward case. The husband and wife came in, we had them fill out the paperwork, they gathered up all the documents they needed in order to get the green card. You know, there's sort of two parts to the process. One is immigration is going to inquire into the validity of the marriage. The other is whether the person is a good person who is being sponsored to see whether or not they deserve to receive a green card. So we had them fill out our client intake form. We ask them all the questions on one form so that they don't have to fill out multiple forms over and over and over. We just get the information from them in one set, and then we put it into all the different forms that we file. We filed the I-130, the I-485, that's the spouse visa and the green card application. We also filed the I-131, which is the travel document, and the I-765, which is the work authorization. After we filed all that, we got receipt notices back. We inputted all that into our system so that we can keep track online of our clients' cases and how they're progressing. Then after that, our client was sent for fingerprints so that they could do a background check on him. And about 6 weeks later, he received his work authorization card in the mail. That was sort of faster than most cases. A lot of times the work authorization takes a few months. His came quickly. After that, we're just waiting while they do the overall background check and scheduling the case for an interview. We had submitted lots of evidence of the validity of the marriage. And during the time between when we first filed and when we had our interview, we had our clients gathering similar documents, more pictures of the two of them together, life insurance together, bank statements together, so that we could demonstrate to the immigration officer that the case had been legitimate and was properly filed. Clients came in 2 weeks ago, we prepared them for their interview. We role played where I acted like I was the immigration officer. I told my clients, you know, answer the questions as quickly and as concisely and as honestly as you can. No one's out to trick you, but at the same time, you're not there to tell your whole life story. We did all that. We prepped for about an hour, got them ready, got them confident to make sure that they knew that they could do it. And we went down for our interview last Thursday, and the whole interview took all of 15 minutes. Very cute couple, very nice people. The immigration officer saw that it was a valid marriage and it was pretty straightforward. The client didn't have any major and had no criminal convictions, no problems, so that made it pretty straightforward as well. So we got the approval notice in the mail yesterday. Our clients are now going to be able to live together here in the United States. The fellow from overseas is going to get a 2-year green card. Later on, he'll have to get those conditions removed and get a unconditional permanent resident card, and then they'll be all set. So we're happy to help them. It's a success for the office. We get these all the time. But still, even so, it makes each one happy, and we're glad that those were approved, and we're happy for our clients. So if you have any questions about this or anything related to spouse visas or green cards, give us a call, 314-961-8200. Thanks.